Anti-estrogen, they are the drugs that block or modulate the estrogen receptor and inhibit the estrogen synthesis, is commonly used in the hormone-sensitive cancer, infertility treatment, and the osteoporosis. Selective estrogen receptor modulators act as a estrogen agonist in some tissues and antagonist in others. Tamoxifen, raloxifene, and the clomiphene. Selective estrogen receptor downregulators, pure estrogen receptor antagonists that degrade the ERS. Aromatase inhibitor blocks the estrogen synthesis by inhibiting the enzyme aromatase, which converts the androgen into estrogen. Tamoxifen increases the risk of the endometrial cancer due to the estrogenic effect on the uterus. Venous thromboembolism risk. Raloxifene less risk of the endometrial cancer than the tamoxifen. VTE risk remains. Clomiphene multiple pregnancy, twins and triplets due to the increased FSH and LH. Ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome. Aromatase inhibitors osteoporosis risk due to the estrogen suppression, joint pain and the hot flashes. Tamoxifen is used in the ER plus breast cancer but increases the endometrial cancer risk. Raloxifene prevents the osteoporosis and the breast cancer without the endometrial risk. Clomiphene induces ovulation by blocking the estrogen receptor in the hypothalamus. Aromatase inhibitors block the estrogen synthesis used in the postmenopausal breast cancer. Sperms increases the risk of thromboembolism. Aromatase inhibitors can cause the osteoporosis and the joint pain.